Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
She was in that video, remember
Oh my
that we
God,
did the
yes,
Ponzi
I
one?
know.
She was so young. Hi ladies, and welcome to my closet. And we're in here today so I can share with you some of the things I've learned over the years to make getting dressed really simple. And I have a fabulous closet now with plenty of space, but believe me, it was not always the case. So I've perfected a few things that really simplify my life when I need to get dressed. Let's start with how you set up your clothes in your closet. The way I do it is by category. So I put my blouses in one section, jackets in another, dresses here, and so on. Within the categories, I organize by color. So I start with light on the left and go to dark on the right. Then I know if I just want to wear a white shirt, it's all within that one little section, nice and easy. And I really suggest that you get a good hanger. So I use these really thin flocked hangers. The reason these are great is because they don't take up much space. And another thing I suggest is in your drawers, you can roll your things that are kind of bulky, like your sweatpants. If you have them rolled like you would in a suitcase, you can kind of spot them really quickly. And at Cabi, we say never hang your sweaters. So fold them and stack them. It will save the life of your sweaters and keep them in shape. And I clean out my closet on a regular basis. About every 6 months, I go through each category and just get rid of the things that I haven't put onto my body in forever, that I'm maybe not in love with anyway. I share them with a friend or I donate them to my favorite charity. And this allows you to have more space to get new stuff. And we always want new cute things. Something else that I do is I keep my portable steamer handy, because if you pull that blouse out and it's just a little bit wrinkly, you can take a minute, steam it, and you're done. Some days I do happen to try on a lot of different outfits and I may set them on my chair for the moment, but I recommend that you hang them right back up. It seems like it takes more time, but then they don't get wrinkled, and when you come back, your space is nice and neat, which is always helpful. I also recommend that if you have space, add a great full-length mirror, because you can see your outfit, reject it, move on very quickly. I also happen to have a really amazing shoe closet because, you know, I'm a kind of a crazy shoe nut. But I do keep my couple favorite pairs that are in heavy rotation really close by. That way I'm in my space, I'm trying on my outfit, I can toss on my booty, look in my mirror, and then I'm done. So those are just a few of my favorite closet hacks. I'd love to know what your hacks are, so why don't you share them with us? Let us know your tips and tricks that make your life clean and simple. Okay ladies, thanks for hanging out with me in my closet. Now peace out.